You can't be serious.
Isn't she a professor, like a law professor somewhere?
Not anymore, I don't think. I think that she
Ever?
It's you know what's interesting is
Because I'd fire her for that.
yeah, she definitely used to be. I'm not sure if she still is, but she used to write for the Herald too. And I hadn't seen her columns forever, but recently they actually did put a column in the Herald,
She
about
did
the
say
Karen
that.
Reed with Wendy Murphy, which is, I don't know.
Think about how stupid the Karen Reed jury had to be to find her guilty of OUI, the charges with the weakest evidence, and not guilty of manslaughter, which Reed admitted to, and the undisputed text stream data proved beyond all doubt. Stupid jurors should be stripped of citizenship. She is the biggest sack of shit lawyer you will ever come across in your life. I mean, this is just beyond the pale. You are a disgrace, an embarrassment to your profession, and that tweet should live forever. The jury didn't do what I think they should have done, so they're stupid and should be stripped of citizenship. This is a self-styled civil rights lawyer and feminist. You're a joke.
I'm not really feeling either of those things from that tweet, to be quite honest. If I understood what either of those things were.
I'm actually feeling more competence issue. Like this seems like the sort of thing that might be an issue for the bar.
I guess we don't really believe in that idea. Better that 10 guilty men go free than one innocent person go to jail, I guess. Damn.
He is advocating the removal of citizenship of people who did their civil duty, deliberated for 4.5 days, actually issued a split verdict, actually.
He did a great job.
A little bit, sent 4 notes, 2 of which were legal questions. And this Duke lacrosse truther, previously sanctioned moron with a law degree, wants them stripped of citizenship because they're stupid.
You know, not for nothing, but I think it was 50, if not 60 years ago, the U.S. Supreme Court decided that you can't strip a natural born citizen of citizenship. That's not possible. So that's only been case law for, half a century.
I also just tried to pull up her webpage, and very interestingly, it's 404ing. And I'm like, oh, that's
a
lot of things
forgot to pay the fee.
Her brain 404'd about 10 years ago, apparently.
Yeah.
But I'm just
see what I mean? I don't think
she's
she's a professor anymore. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't think she actually practices much anymore.
But if she ever was a professor, I'm appalled.
She was, and I'm not sure she